Hey guys, it's the Real China Sister. I'm back with another video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below. So today is going to be a maintenance video. It's actually going to take 2 days for me to get it together because right now your girl looks trash. Like I'm straight basura right now. Like I need my hair done, I need my nails and feet done, I need my eyebrows done because the shit is starting to thicken up. Like I just look a hot fucking mess right now. I don't really like making videos when I look a mess because I like to always look cute. But I did say in my maintenance video that I was going to like show y'all how I do my maintenance and like basically how I get myself together and everything. I get myself together like every 2 weeks, like a huge reset. Like every 2 weeks I do hair, nails, eyebrow, waxing. Y'all not going to see me do a waxing this time because I recently got a wax. So there's nothing to wax right now. It's Friday. My whole laptop is out. Like I'm working, like I'm on the clock right now. But I finished my work for the day. I'm gonna head to the nail salon. Well, nail salon or eyebrow place first, I'm not sure yet, but I need to get it together because your girl looks like a bum right now and I can't be walking around like this. Like I can't afford to be outside like this. Like they know me out there. Like what? But yes, this is day one. I'm gonna be taking you guys with me to the eyebrow place and to the nail salon. I need to get my hands and my feet done. I'm probably just gonna get a simple color because I am in the office 3 days out of the week and you know I don't want to go in the office like with a bunch of madness going on. So I had white all this time. As you can see, your girl needs a refill. Like are you kidding me? I need a refill. I need, you know, a nice pedicure. Hopefully I can find a place that does like a good mani-pedi. That is like one of the most important things to me. I like going to places that give quality mani-pedis. If you guys have ever seen any of my videos on my channel, I have taken you guys to the nail salon with me before. I love a spa pedicure or a nice pedicure. Like all that money they charge, I better be getting something really nice in return. Like a massage, some stones, some gel, like to kill the dead skin, whatever it is. But like I said, your girl is a trash bag right now. So in a few minutes I'm gonna take y'all down to the nail salon with me and hopefully, you know, and I've been living here for a year now and I still have not found that nail salon that's like, yo, this is where I love to go. Before, where I lived before, they were like, I feel like there were so many different places I like to go. Like it's like, okay, if this place isn't open or if this place is too packed, then I can go to this spot over here. I still haven't found my nail salon over here and I've been here for a year because I keep cheating and going back to my old place and traveling for it. Like I'll do stuff like that. Like just like with hair, like I travel to get my hair done, but I'm gonna try and find a place that works for me and hopefully I like the job they do. So I made it to the nail salon. It's kind of loud in here, so I'm not gonna do too much talking, but I'm in the chair to get a pedicure. So let's see how this goes.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I
yo. Hear me now. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Close up.
Thank you so much. I made it to the hair salon. I know y'all see the wig in the background. I'm not getting a wig. I don't wear wigs. But I'm just getting a ponytail, but I'm just waiting. I'm glad it's not like mad people in here, because usually it's like packed. So I'm just waiting to get my hair washed.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby,
I don't know if y'all can hear me. I'm under the dryer with my hair slick. I don't know if y'all can see. So I'm waiting for it to dry. So I got an invisible ponytail, you guys. It's giving. I know this is like totally a maintenance vlog, but after getting my hair done, walking around the city like I usually do, this is actually my old elementary school. I used to go to elementary school in Manhattan, New York, and I used to attend elementary school in Manhattan, and I used to go to PS 198 when I was younger, and I'm actually passing it right now, which is totally ironic because I'm actually meeting up with some friends that I used to be at PS 198 with this weekend. So it's like, it's just funny how things work out. Look. See, that's the school. I'm like all the way over here. I'll take you guys closer so you can see, but this is totally, God, I haven't like walked these grounds. Like I've passed it like while driving by, but I haven't walked these grounds. I think maybe since I'm 9 or 10, honestly. It's been forever since I've walked this street. And it's just crazy. There's the park over there. Now, we used to always want to go to that park, but my mom felt like we were going to catch wingworm or get sick like from other kids. So it was rare we got to go in there, but this is where we had our recess time. Like this entire thing you see here. This is where we had our recess time. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, but you know, I really don't know if I can walk on these grounds. So I'm like right here, but this is totally the school. Damn, bringing back memories. I don't remember them really having this bike rack here before, but gosh, that's it. PS 198 in the flesh. But yes, that was my life time and time ago. But it's nice to see it. It like brings back all these memories of when I was younger. My dad used to pick us up from school because, you know, he worked close by, so it was super convenient. But it was nice to see the old stomping grounds. And for those of you that don't know, I actually got married in this recess yard. In 2nd grade, I got married to my first crush. We had a huge wedding and everything. My brother was in it, like it was a big deal. But he divorced me after the first week because there was a new girl in school that he wanted to like get close with or be, I guess, some kind of relationship with. I never quite understood it, but he broke up with me after a week of being married to me because some new girl came to school. Like, who even remembers that girl Michelle's name? Like, she was a nobody. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys really quickly. So I'm walking. This is actually more of the school for you guys to see. This is like the side of the building. Oh, there goes the 198 sign right there. Yeah, this definitely brings back memories. It definitely does. Public School 198. Ew. I haven't been like over here in forever. It hasn't changed much, but yeah. There we go. Public School 198. Can you believe it? This is where your girl used to be with her lunchbox and her book bag, being a little hot girl. So it's raining. I'm waiting to get my lashes done so your girl can be a hot girl again, because I'm going out and I gotta be cute. I've just chosen my size.
This one 18,
Okay,
this one 16.
I want 18. Can I show the people real quick on my YouTube channel the 18 lashes, because
Yes,
they're so
sure.
pretty? These are the lashes that I'm getting. I'm not going too crazy, but I'm getting 18. So let's see how this turns out.
A little bit more.
Officially a hot girl again. Thank you. They look so pretty.
You're welcome.
Thank you. But yes, that is my maintenance vlog. Your girl is about to get something to eat and try to settle in and maybe squeeze in a nap or something, because I gotta go out tonight. But yes, that was my maintenance video for y'all. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, tell me what you guys think, you know, tell me about your maintenance routine or what it is that you get into. That's it. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you continue to blow your girl's channel up, because it's giving boss bitch, period. Make sure you guys comment below and let me know what more content you guys would possibly like to see me do. I want to start doing more things where I'm outside and I'm showing you guys around whatever it is that I do. So comment below and let me know what you guys would like to see me doing or what you guys want to hear me talk about. See you guys soon.